Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have made this carbide insert holder in my previous video. I made this for negative 55 degree rhombic insert. I made a 58 degree cut for insert beds, that's okay, but I need to give some relief angle for two axes too. In my case, 6 degree for side and back rack. I only have my milling vise and has nothing. I can give 6 degree only for one axis, but I need 2 degree angle also in another axis. I need to make my cut in multi-axis. That is very hard in my situation. I thought about solution for a while and I came with the idea of a 3D printed 6 degree wedge for the vise. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or no. So I started designing with computer program. Because wedge will be made from plastic and might be not enough rigid to support milling cutting operations. Hence, I made my wedge surface area as much as vise bottom area to increase rigidity. Then I added some holes to my design to make printing time less, but I forgot to record that part. I started printing it with my 3D printer. After printing is done, I remove any bump on the both surface of print. And product is like this. First, I'm aligning my workpiece 6 degree to vise. This will create my front relief angle. Workpiece is aligned perfectly. I'm tightening the jaws. Then I put the vise to the wedge to create another 6 degree angle on side cutting edge. I also adjust side angle of vise to 32 degree, so when I cut in x-axis it will also cut parallel to the carbide bit. Then I'm fixing full setup to table with proxxon clamps. Wedge side height is a little bit high for the clamps, so I'm using a longer M6 screw to fix. After milling process finished, everything looks good. But the reality is different. Side relief angle is correct, but front relief angle is wrong. I made a mistake about vice position. I should have cut it to the front, but I cut it backward. Well, I'm learning from my mistakes. In the next projects, I will be more careful. But anyway, I will give it a try in the future and we'll see if it's gonna work anyway. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for supporting me.